Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Telegram connecting problem in Telegram apps. When Telegram show connecting or fail to connect, these issues is usually network related or due to restriction problem. Let's see how to fix Telegram connecting or fail to connect problem. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Open your phone setting. Search Wi-Fi or mobile network. Reset your Wi-Fi or mobile network. Your Wi-Fi or mobile network connection is properly connected. Go back. Step 2. Turn on airplane mode. Wait 30 seconds and then turn off. Step 3. Long press or long tap in Telegram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 4. Open Play Store or Apps Store. Go to search. Search Telegram app. Update your Telegram application latest version. Step 5. Restart your device and again open it. Step 6. Again open your Telegram app. You can follow all of the steps to fix Telegram connecting problem solve. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.